This is January 31st, 2005, in front of our house here. You can see this is ugly. Got big New Year's flood going on. Let's see, here's my van. Hopefully we're gonna have a little fender bender here. Hopefully it won't happen. It'd be great if it doesn't. There's the Subaru in our driveway, and you can see the street is a river. This is fucking crazy. Yeah, so our driveway, let's go around the house for a second. Actually, come here. I'll show you looking down the street. You can see the view looking down the street. You see that car right there? It's our neighbor's truck. That's the view looking up our street. Here's our sidewalk. And I would say I'm in about 3 feet of rain. And you see the truck down there. It's pretty crazy. Here's our front walkway. And I'll take you into the backyard. That is just crazy. It's really, really sad too. It's been a heck of a year. Neighbor's yard. Big table. Now it looks like the water is moving toward us a little bit because we got a bunch of water up at the gate here. I'd say there's a good 3 feet of water all in our entire backyard. Our deck is actually floating. Looks like a dock because the corner of this deck has come up. Now here's our backyard. There's the famous creek. And I'll give you a little shot of the living room. There's our garden. Amazingly enough, the tree is still on. Breaker hasn't flipped yet. And I'm gonna just make a little wave so you can see how our fireplace, our desk, and it's actually, I'd say it's only about, it's up to my knees in here. There's our refrigerator. You can hear the sound of the chair floating, the couch is floating. Oh my god, it's just freaking. Let's move the chair out of the way. A little bit easier to rearrange the furniture when everything's floating. Wow. There it is. Look at our room. Our living room is underwater. Let's just see what we can see here. Oh, these doors came off the hinge. These closet doors are off the hinge. And our hall is obviously kind of ruined here. Oh, that's good. It's up to my butt back here. It's the bedroom. Dresser floating, bed floating, kids' room, everything floating. You can't see. I'll show you that. Looks like you get a shot of the bathroom here. Yep. And there's our kitchen sink, the shower, and the toilet. Ooh, yeah. Not pretty. Not pretty at all. It just sucks. Can't get around here. All the carpets are floating out. Doors floated off like that. Alright, let's open the front door. I guess at this point when you have a flood, one of the main things is just to try to keep all your shit from floating down the street. Luckily it stopped raining a little bit ago. So, hold on, somebody's yelling.